So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any image just by using Canva for free. That means without the premium version of Canva. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the just canva.com, the home page, and under here you'll see this option of more. Click on more and hit on apps. Under apps, you need to search for background remover, and once you do it, and you can see it's right there, background eraser. Once you open it and open this first website, that the first tab that appear right in front of you, hit on this option of use and design. Let's create a basic doc design, and under here it will ask you to upload your image. Under here in this section, you just simply need to upload your image of which you want to remove the background. It will do it within seconds, and the results are pretty good, and you don't even need the premium version of Canva for the same. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.